Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Madison Middle School, home of the Mustangs in Oceanside, California, part of the Vista Unified School District. Just spoke to the AM/PM students, the after-school program students and staff. And the topic for today, my third visit to their campus, my final one for this school year, was on diversity, what you see on the screen, and the need for human kindness, what you see on my shirt. Right. So my friend and I, we designed this a couple of years ago. You see the peace sign inside the heart where peace has to begin. There's also two people inside here because it's not just about showing kindness to yourself, but to others as well. And it's so important that we do that because, if I do say that kind word or do that kind deed, hopefully, it's going to affect not just that person or group of people that it's directed towards, but anybody that's in earshot or eyesight of that kind action. It might change their heart in a positive way too, maybe forever, right? And to know that we have that ability in just a couple of seconds to uplift or to tear down, we know that we have to be all in, right? To appreciate others' diversity, that's their differences, both on the outside, how they're born, how they walk, talk, see, hear, learn, their skin color, the foods they eat, the languages that they speak, but also what's on the inside, right? So their talents, their abilities, their gifts, what they're good at. And we have to really understand that, all of those things combined really make us unique, right? If we were all the same, this would be very boring, this world. But the fact that we're all different, if we can embrace that diversity, we can start to grow, right? We can really learn from each other. And so that means we have to see and respect diversity in all aspects, all walks of life, but also see people for this too. I bring this up in all my assemblies, but all of us with the lines on our hand have letter M, right? That M stands for Mario. No, I'm just kidding. This M stands for miracle, right? Upside down W is for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles worthy of love to both give it and receive it. But we really have to buy into this, right? It's so important that we do because a lot of students and people in general that I've speak to all across this nation, sometimes they've forgotten this, never been told that, and we can be that light to their heart, right? And when you're thinking about diversity, this concept of unconditional love comes into play as well. Right? That comparison to dogs and how they always see us for our hearts before anything and, show us that love without any conditions, right? We can learn a lot from those animals, right? Whether we're taller than someone, shorter, wider, skinnier, disabled or not, wear glasses or don't, whatever makes us different, it can be an opportunity not just to not to separate us, but to unify us, right? To bring us closer together. And that's what I was really trying to push and hammer home today with the students, through the heartfelt stories, through the inspirational videos, the positive hip hop music as well. All that combined, the physical props too, it really did leave an impression on them. And it was an honor to be here again. Hope to be back again in the future. Until then, they'll have a great rest of the school year. Hope to see you soon. And as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button. You'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.